Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today I am coming on to show you what I made for a swap I was in. It was called the Sequin Holder / Folio Swap. And it's hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Maria Reyes. My partner in this swap is Liana from It's a Deal, and we were to make 4 different sequin mixes and a holder or a folio to put the sequins in, and that's all I asked for. I did a little bit more, little bit. Anyhow, let me show you what I made for my partner. Okay, first off, I made her a card. And of course, and it says you matter to so many, which is true because she's got an excellent channel. And I haven't written my note yet because I haven't sent it yet because I had to do this video before I sent it. So I made her a little card that I can write a note in. And then I made her 2 of those cute little triple bows. Actually, these are the bows that I made when I did the video showing how to make these bows. I had this in mind to do, so as I was doing the tutorial, I was making what I wanted to make for this swap at the same time. So that's those. Look at the pretty butterfly embossing on the back of the paper. And then this is my little folio box that I made to house the sequin mixes. All the paper I used in this is Prima. I never use my Prima paper, but I really wanted to this time. So I found some paper that I really liked. It's so pretty. And put it on this pink background. And I'll show you the inside. It has a magnet to keep it closed. And then when you open it up, it has these 4 envelopes with these sequin mixes inside. So I made 4 different sequin mixes. I'm not going to take them all out. And then I just used this little flower to hold the flaps closed. But I used 4 different papers from that Prima set. These 2 are kind of stuck together a little bit, so you have to flip them. I hope I'm in frame. And then the last one. And I just love how these just, see, sequins in there. I did 4 different type sequin mixes, and I'll show them to you in a minute because I was a little overly generous with my sequin mixes. And I couldn't fit them in here. They made it too bulky. So what I did was I took one of these cute little bags and I took some of the sequins out of the bags that I put in here and put the extras in these tiny little bags. So she has them all anyhow. So this is one of the sequin mixes, the pink one, and it's got little butterflies and stuff and pearls and everything in it. And this is kind of the mermaidy one. It's got little mermaid pieces in here and little bubbles and different colors of blues. It's really cute. And then this was a Halloween mix, and I think I put bats and spiders and pumpkins and Halloween color sequins. And then this is a Valentine mix with lots of reds and pinks and whites and little hearts. And so she has a variety of different kinds of sequin mixes that she can use throughout the year. The only one I didn't do was a Christmas one. Maybe I should have done that. I don't know. But it was fun. And thank you to all of you who entered my challenge last year and sent me sequins, because boy, it sure helped to make it easy for me to make up sequin mixes for this swap. So I really enjoyed doing this. It was a lot of fun. It was fun using my Prima paper. Gotta be special if I use my Prima paper. Hear that, Liana? Gotta be special. So there you go. That's my swap. And I'm sticking to it. I hope you like it. Let me know. Oh, isn't it cute? I love this. On the front of this, I made another one of these bows, but I made the bigger one. And I think I did that in the video too. And I made that to go on here. And this spoon I had gotten probably on one of the sequin mixes I got last year. And I just thought it was so perfect with a little pink flower on here that I just had to stick it on here to finish it off. So let me know what you think of my swap. Think Liana will like it? I think so. I think so. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you. Until next time, love yous. Bye.